in this tiny-ass lowly boat in the middle of the sea. For over 2.5 years now, I have had no hygiene at all this whole time. So that means I have no toilet paper to wipe my disgusting, rotten, hairy ass. And didn't brush my rancid, old, rotten, and disgusting expired teeth. I think I've lost like 18 teeth this entire period. And it's making my breath smell like Shrek's bathroom after having cheese balls and Pepto-Bismol in the toilet. Somebody better donate me some toothpaste and toilet paper to me. I swear I feel worse than a billionaire getting sued for everything on his net worth, which is literally only one singular penny. Just one penny! How are this greedy to money so-called billion nuanis to all my disgusting rotten-ass teeth stories? The reason why I'm in this stinky, lonely-ass boat is because my dad said that I was a poop! A 2-week constipated poop too! So I left him so he could get milk! And I went on a boat that was rent for only $69 per month! So I bought it and left my dad! By the way, what I have to eat are these rotten-ass fish in the ocean. The ocean is so green that even touching it will probably get the really old rotten-ass poolatosis disease. Well,